Hello friends, welcome to this new session of this tutorial. In this session we will learn about the toolbar and action bar. As as of now we can see at the top we cannot see any type of action bar where we can display the our title of the page and back icon. So in this session we will learn this. So let's begin. For this first we need to define toolbar in our XML file. Move to XML. At the top, we need to define toolbar, match parent, and height we will set as action bar. So, okay. So next we will define background. We will put background color primary, and what is the position top layout top to top of panel. Okay. And also we need to define the ID of this toolbar. Okay, and this is for main activity. And now we move to next activity and also define here toolbar. Match parent height as of action bar. So ATR we will use ATR, and action bar size it will automatically put the size of action bar. And next background again we should put primary color. Again, what is the position of this toolbar is layout top to top of parent. Okay, and also we need to define ID here. ID is ID toolbar next. Okay, next. Okay, so first we need to move main activity. Here we will set our action bar, set support action bar, and we will directly put toolbar. Okay, now our action toolbar is set in action bar, and now we will define the title support. We will get action bar support action bar title equals to, if we put empty then it will show nothing. For now we will put main activity. Okay, and same thing we will do in next activity. For here we will get set support action bar. Here we will get toolbar next. Okay, and now support action bar dot title is equals to next activity. Okay, so next thing we will define the back icon, where we will put on back icon. When we will click on back, then we will mm, back to our previous activity. So code for that, support action bar this. Here set display home as up enabled, this is true. Okay, now we will need to define one more default override function, that is on support navigate up. Okay, control Z. Okay, so we will put here finish. When we will click On finish, then we will move to previous activity. So our coding is almost done. So let's run the application and test it is working or not. Yeah, as you can see, our app is up and running, and here is we will define our toolbar and set in the action bar section, and we will put the size of toolbar as of action bar. So it automatically take the size as of action bar, and we will also set title main activity. Now click to next and check in next activity our toolbar is set or not. Click next. Okay, as you can see next activity, and on back click, back arrow is also visible. On back click we will move next, back. Okay, so our app is up and running and working as expected. Now we, if we just for, if what will change this main activity to home. Okay, our app is up and running, and you can see our title has been changed. Okay friends, so that's all for this video. Hope you will learn about toolbar and action bar, and also navigation back icon. So we will meet next video. Till that, bye bye.